Okay, hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to check out Avalanche's price chart. And if you remember, in the previous update we were right around this area and I was saying you probably need to have your eyes on this beautiful descending channel and see AVAX getting a break of this thing, meaning we go above the higher band of it, do a pullback, and then a continuation of the move up. And we were so close to getting that, but unfortunately we didn't, and then we got a solid rejection from here. Now, as you can see right now, it seems like that we are very close to the lower band of this channel, and well, makes sense to expect soon some sort of a bounce coming in on Avalanche. But the bounce itself is not really that important. You need to pay attention, number one, to the shape of the move, and number two, you need to see, are we going to take this important high or not? Now, why are these so important? Well, about the first reason, you see, if you want to say that we have hit some sort of a midterm or even short-term low around here, okay, you need to be able to find off of the lowest low a 1 2 3 4 5, a very strong move on the upside. On the other hand, if you see either like a three-wave movement or maybe a move up with a lot of overlapping of the waves in it, basically a slow and choppy move, okay, odds are that's just a correction, and after it's over you're going to see a strong move down in order to take this low. On the other hand, again, let me repeat that, if you see an impulse, you can say we're going to have a move down, and we are most likely going to have it, but hopefully that's just going to be a correction, and after it you are going to see a new uptrend start. So this is why the first reason is so important, and you need to pay attention to the shape of the move that we might get soon. Second reason, in terms of the trends, what do we have in a classic downtrend? Just a series of constant lower highs and lower lows. And when can we say the trend maybe has changed? When we get a move up, and in that move we take the previous major pivot high right in here. Now let's go on AVAX's chart and see what is happening. And I think we can all agree this is a beautiful downtrend. This is a high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, and these are beautiful lower lows, and lower low. So let me ask you this, when can we say maybe this trend is possibly changed? When we get a move up, and you guessed it right, in this phase we take this important high about $22.2. That's why you need to have your eyes on this very important level. And at the same time, if we do this, I'm going to guess that we have gotten a break out of this important descending channel, and at that point you can kind of consider this structure as a bull flag, which means okay, the next move is actually going to happen maybe at quite a bit of a rapid pace. So in terms of overall structures, I am still optimistic on Avalanche, and I do think we're going to get a move up. But whether we're going to get it from the current point, or maybe we are going to do something like this and then we're going to get a move on the upside, that can be up for debate. And in the next update, I am going to talk about what is happening in terms of Elliott wave a bit, because I don't really think that this A, B, C structure, or maybe a 1 2 3 4 5 wave impulsive structure on the upside scenario is happening. I think we may have something very special, and if what I believe is happening, okay, from here, or again possibly a bit lower, maybe even we are going to take this low, we're going to get like a very strong and sharp move on the upside. But that is the topic of the next update. Let's just take everything step by step and see where are we going to go next. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in AVAX's chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.